Welcome back to Rigveda Financials. Want to know which stocks you should have on your radar in 2025? In this video, I'll be sharing the top stocks that are primed for growth and market leadership this year. From tech to infrastructure, these stocks span across key sectors, so let's dive right in and see which ones could shape your investment strategy for 2025. First up, we have Reliance Industries, a conglomerate that needs no introduction. Reliance is a key player in multiple sectors, including energy, retail, and telecom, and has been expanding aggressively into renewable energy. With the growing demand for sustainable energy and the continued strength of its telecom arm, Jio, Reliance is set to capitalize on India's booming economy. Revenue growth, strong performance in its retail and telecom segments. P/E ratio, 25, slightly above the industry average but justified by its diversified growth. Recent news, the company is heavily investing in green energy, and with new projects lined up, they're ready to lead the charge towards sustainability in India. Next, let's talk about Tata Consultancy Services, or TCS. This IT giant continues to dominate the global IT services market, with consistent growth in digital transformation, cloud services, and AI-based solutions. Revenue growth, double-digit growth in its core IT services and digital offerings. P/E ratio, 31, reflecting strong performance with room for future growth. Recent news, TCS has been doubling down on its AI and machine learning capabilities, solidifying its position as a leader in tech solutions. As businesses around the world shift to digital, TCS is well positioned to capture that growth. Moving on to Adani Enterprises. If you're following Indian infrastructure and energy, Adani is one company you shouldn't miss. With major investments in ports, logistics, and renewable energy, the group is expanding rapidly. Adani's aggressive push into clean energy, including solar and green hydrogen, makes it a top pick for future growth. Revenue growth, strong growth in infrastructure and energy projects. P/E ratio, 49, which reflects the market's optimism for future earnings growth. Recent news, Adani is heavily focusing on renewable energy and infrastructure development, which could be major revenue drivers over the next decade. Next on our list is HDFC Bank, one of India's top private sector banks. Known for its strong retail banking business, HDFC is riding high on the digital banking revolution in India. Revenue growth, consistent growth in digital payments, loans, and customer acquisition. P/E ratio, 18, a fair value for a stable, large-cap company. Recent news, HDFC Bank has been strengthening its position in fintech and digital banking, and as more Indians adopt digital financial services, HDFC is well positioned for continued growth. Now, let's talk about Zomato, India's leading food delivery app. Despite some volatility in the stock market, Zomato has cemented its position as a leader in the food delivery space. But what sets Zomato apart? Its growing presence in online grocery delivery and expanding services in Tier 2 and 3 cities. Revenue growth, increasing orders and higher customer retention are key positives. P/E ratio, Zomato is still growing, so it doesn't yet have a stable P/E, but its revenue trajectory is strong. Recent news, Zomato continues expanding its footprint in new markets and services, making it a company to watch for future growth. And our last pick is Avenue Supermarts, also known as D-Mart. With its aggressive expansion in urban and rural markets, D-Mart is becoming one of India's go-to retail destinations for everyday essentials. Revenue growth, stable and consistent, with expanding store networks. P/E ratio, 86, which is high but reflects the market's confidence in D-Mart's business model and future growth. So, those were my top stocks to watch in 2025, ranging from tech and banking to infrastructure and retail. Each of these companies has strong growth potential, but remember, always do your own research before investing. What do you think about these picks? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rigveda Financials for more financial insights. See you in the next video. Welcome.